The real world doesn't need special effects to leave us speechless. When nature takes over, whether it's raging, playing tricks, or just being wildly unpredictable, anything can happen. Sudden explosions, lightning strikes, wild animal encounters, creepy phenomena, and moments that defy all logic. Get ready, because in this video, you're about to see some jaw-dropping situations caught on camera around the world.
Back.
A couple in western Brazil hears a strange noise and bolts out of a tire shop just seconds before a tire explodes. A massive explosion rocked an industrial site in Zhytomyr, Ukraine. The blast was so strong it even cracked a car windshield. In the middle of their fishing day, two guys in Pará, Brazil, ended up rescuing a giant anteater trying to cross a river. And no, it's not just a fisherman's tale. It really happened.
Bolo, hindi ka ba parang nabira lang? Ya Allah, buri Allah. Allahu Akbar.
This is what happens when nature gets mad.
Allah. Astagfirullah. Allah, ya Allah.
Gas leaks are silent killers. In this clip, 4 people got injured after an unnoticed leak turned dangerous.
Ai! Meu Deus! Meu Deus! Ai, meu Deus, Jesus! Não tá se queimando! Meu Deus! Ozzy, come! Ozzy, come!
A Romanian snowboarder, who's also a rescue worker and instructor, was caught in an avalanche on Mount Papusa. His helmet cam recorded everything, and luckily, he made it out unharmed. Filming a fox den didn't go as planned. Someone's smartphone got swiped. No wonder they say sly as a fox.
He doesn't know. He doesn't know. Oh, he's gonna pick up the gun. Oh, he knows.
Holy.
Hailstones can be terrifying, and this one proves it. Right at the start of the clip, you'll see the orca spit out a fish. It was just a matter of time to see which bird would snatch it. The driver of the white car was super careful and focused, but still ended up in a crash at the intersection. After hearing noises in the kitchen, this guy walked in to find a non-venomous snake trying to swallow some eggs right out of a bowl.
The spice cabinet that is now trying to eat an egg.
The family woke up to strange kitchen noises. When the homeowner checked it out, he found an uninvited guest, a badger digging into a frozen treat. This fishing trip looks more like a factory assembly line. This dog does not like getting his nails trimmed.
Raise your hind legs. Stand up. Here. Hold on.
He's right here. Okay, get back in.
Monitor lizards just love sneaking into houses and scaring the life out of people, like in this clip. This curious bear didn't expect the guy to have a secret weapon.
It's right there.
A video from Taiwan shows a bizarre green worm with a long pink tongue. Experts think it's a ribbon worm, a weird marine creature. That squirrel had beef with everybody.
Ow! Fucker, back me! You little bastard! Hey, fucker, get off me!
Shoot the daggum thing! No, stay!
That rodeo guy, way too confident, don't you think? Facing down a bear like this isn't for the faint of heart. Instead of lying down, the guy roared and threw his arms up, and it worked. But trust me, that trick doesn't always work. It really depends on the bear and the moment.
Skrika lyckas Ralf göra björnen osäker och får den att ångra sig.
This suitcase turned into a perfect beehive.
No doubt they've filled out the entire thing with honeycomb. Honey there. I think it'll be safe to say that if you went to the airport with this bag, you'd get thoroughly searched.
That was in the tradition of what has happened in the past.
A longboard rider was enjoying a smooth, winding road until a herd of cows brought his ride to an abrupt end. In a German zoo, what was supposed to be a wall scratcher turned into chaos. The rhino got scared of it, tried to destroy it, and ended up hurting its own horn. Just goes to show, even small changes can seriously shake up animal behavior. Nature's dental cleaning service. These wrassafish help clean divers' teeth into hob with style. This rabbit had no clue a bird was nearby and got the scare of its life. Bad luck day for this seagull. First a crow, then a fox. The biggest danger for cyclists? Dogs that pop out of nowhere. But hey, there's a way to deal with them.
Back. Yeah, I got that pepper spray on him right there. That was a pit bull.
If you go looking for trouble, you'll find it. And this dog did. Now, this is a strange household setup. Two crocodiles chilling behind the dog with a turtle hanging out on top. Cozy, right? This guy was way too drunk to be talking to a bear like it was his annoying neighbor. Good thing he got lucky, because that bear was definitely overweight and definitely not in the mood.
Hey, no, Mike. No, going that way. Holy shit, that son of a bitch. See, guys?
Two friends were enjoying lunch until rats crashed the party. One landed on the table, the other on a guy's head. In Sao Paulo, Brazil, torrential rain turned a subway station into a full-on water park. That snake messed with the wrong opponent.
Que se fala cobra jiboia. É uma cobra que ela é muito predadora. É tudo que encontra pela frente de frango, outros bichos.
A pup was napping peacefully on the deck while his owner worked nearby, when a coyote came out of nowhere and grabbed him by the neck. Luckily, the owner swooped in to save the day. In Russia, locals filmed a mysterious black hole in an open field.
Ты видишь, что здесь? Там дна нет. 30, да, 40.
Incredible footage from Myanmar shows surface rupture during a massive earthquake, 4 to 5 meters of displacement in just over 1 second. Strong winds nearly swept plumbers off a roof in Texas. Talk about a high-stakes job. A dingo in Australia bit a sunbathing tourist, but luckily, no serious injuries.
Oh my god.
This driver saw it coming, but the white Jeep had no chance to dodge the full-grown moose crossing the road.
Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god.
A lion cub fell into a river and ended up surrounded by crocodiles.
It's gone. The crocod's got it.
Security cameras revealed the truth. No burglars here. The shattered window was the work of a goat that went full rage mode after seeing its own reflection. This bear was chilling in the river until the current suddenly swept him over a waterfall.
Swim, bear, swim! Oh no!
A diver in the Bahamas had a too close for comfort moment when a tiger shark almost took a bite out of his head. People in Houston, Texas witnessed a creepy sight. A massive swarm of crows flying over the city. Cue the conspiracy theories. One guy was sitting on the curb, glued to his phone, when a stray dog walked up and marked him on the back.